Hello, Professor Smithers. Brandon Ortega here with CST 239, and today I'm going to be going over my work for part two of my milestone project. For this part of the milestone, we were to populate the storefront with the saleable products. That includes two different types of weapons, different kinds of armor, and then health. And then update the methods used to support the purchasing and canceling of those products. Kind of update the flow chart of the logic and of a game user interacting with the storefront, and then also implement the code basically to display the storefront and a welcome message, display a list of actions for the user to interact with, execute a desired storefront action based on keyboard entry, and then display the appropriate detailed feedback, and then error messages for the user. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start by giving you the updated UML here. I added the toString method here in the saleable product class. And then I also added the correct pointers here. So we have the inventory manager and shopping cart have an association relationship to the saleable product, and it's a one-to-many type of relationship. And then we also have the storefront class has a composition relationship with inventory manager and shopping cart, and so it kind of just represents the part whole relationship, and it just implies ownership that the storefront kind of controls the life cycle of these two. So and then that's the UML. So then let me bring up the flowchart, and the flowchart, we start here and it'll bring you to the front, which would be where we would get the user's input. So one would take us to view products, and I updated from the previous milestone. I'll show you here in a minute. So then basically enter the number of what product you wish to add, or 0 to return the main menu, and then enters quantity wanted, and then that quantity's inserted to your cart, and then and then it'll bring you back to the main menu. And then so we start here again, remove products. It'll take you to what products you want to remove, and then it'll take you to display your cart here to make sure everything in your cart is correct, and it'll take you back to the main menu after it displays your cart. And then you can also check out with some user input to make sure that you want to check out, and then 0 to exit the application. So that's the flow chart for that. So now let me just close that out. Let me bring you here to my code. So I kind of wanted to focus on just refining the way the user interacts with the store. Really changed the display product method. I kind of combined that one and the add to cart method, because I feel like it was kind of just redundant, and having them both would be just a lot more simple. I also changed it to where it is uh, a number instead of having to type out the name of the product to enter whichever product you want. So basically, we just combined it to where that when they when they see the products that we have, they're gonna be as if they would like to enter the name of the product you want to add to your cart. I also updated the remove product from cart method, and it just allows the user to see their cart before removing items from it, just to make sure that if they want to, basically just a validation type thing. I want to make sure if they want to remove from their cart. And it's a numerical entry. So I mean, I wanted to make it easy, not easier. I wanted to make it more convenient, because I know typing out a long name for an item would be kind of tedious, and then just that numerical input is just a lot better. So then let's go to the inventory manager class, because I also changed that. We added some new products. I changed the sword to the king sword just to give it, a little more originality. Um, then kind of I lowered the price of that, and we added a stun rifle, which is basically like kind of like a taser bullets basically, and just made that expensive with a minimal quantity. Added the dragon skin body armor with added to the shield for um, because we needed weapons and we also needed some like shield type stuff too. And then I wanted to add more health, but I think the magic juice would be good for now. Um, Maybe we can add. Let's see ones. So as you can see, I also added senzu beans to the health part, a health product here in the inventory manager. So I'm really enjoying this whole process of kind of adding stuff. I enjoy this. So but this is all hard coded in here for demonstration purposes, of course. So let's also go. So let's run this code now because I want to show the enhanced interaction that we'll have. So let's run it. Let's do it there. So it gives us these options down. So now view products, because that's what we changed, and it shows everything, and then it'll say enter the number of products you wish to add to your cart. So that's a new feature that I'm really happy. So let's say we want a stun rifle, and how many do you want? So let's say we want 2. All right, and then let's go ahead and add one more. Let's go to the senzu beans. Let's add 40. View cart. So it gives us everything that we have here. And it gives us our total price here. So let's say we want to remove items. Let's say 34. And then remove the beans from our cart. So let's now view our cart. And it has a stun rifle. Next, for this next milestone, I'm going to work on being able to take away a specific amount from your cart. I think that'll be my next feature that I will want to implement in this milestone project. But as you can see here, I have it working pretty well. So let's go ahead and check out. And it says checking out, total price of 400 for the 2 stun rifles. So that is my code at work, and it just kind of aligns with I want to align a commitment with the user interface, because I just want it as convenient as possible for everybody to use, because I feel like that'll be the best thing for a storefront. I know when I am playing games, I would want a clean interaction. So yep, those will be my goals for next time, and I hope you enjoyed this milestone.